The Motorola Razr 60 Ultra is generating significant buzz as the anticipated successor to the Razr 50 Ultra. Leaked promotional material suggests that the device will maintain the sleek clamshell design of its predecessor but introduce a variety of new color options, including red, green, pink, and even a unique wooden finish. Notably, the Razr 60 Ultra is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, marking a substantial performance upgrade over the Razr 50 Ultra, which utilized the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3. The foldable is rumored to feature a 6.9-inch internal display and a 4-inch cover display, both likely supporting a 165 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Camera enhancements may include a dual camera setup with two 50-megapixel sensors, promising improved photography capabilities. Additionally, the Razr 60 Ultra is expected to house a 4,275 mAh battery with support for 68W fast charging, addressing previous concerns about battery longevity in foldable devices. While Motorola has yet to officially announce the release date, the Razr 60 Ultra is poised to be a formidable contender in the foldable smartphone market.